name is Brian Andrizo, and this is a 1988 BMW M5. I bought this car in 1997. I bought it locally. I bought it from a gentleman in Castro Valley. I'm the third owner of the vehicle. As far as history of the cars, BMW brought 600 into the country initially, and then brought another 600 in. It was the end of the E28 run, if you will. This particular model was introduced, I believe, sometime in the early 80s and ended in 1988 with the M5s here. The M5s were sold in Europe for probably 5 or 6 years, but only for one model year in the US. They brought some into Canada. Some of those models were black and black. This car is black and tan, which is the more common of them. Stock form, it has 256 horsepower. It's a 3.5 liter straight six engine. At the time, it was the fastest BMW, street BMW at least, because it was a little bit lighter than the M6, which had the same engine in it. When I purchased the car, it had 27,500 miles on it. It just turned over 41,000. It basically sits in my garage, comes out 3 or 4 times a year for events like this or to be serviced. I bought it because I always loved the body style, even though it looks like a brick on wheels and has the aerodynamic efficiency of a brick on wheels. As far as what I do with the car in the future, I don't see any reason that I would ever sell the car, although I might consider it. It's going to be moving from California with me to Maryland in the very near future, so it's going to be on the other coast.